Finding a research gap manually? It eats up hours, sometimes weeks, of your time and energy. But what if AI could do it instantly? With Answer This, you can find research gaps in 3 powerful ways. Let's dive in and see how it works.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, click the link in the video description to visit AnswerThis AI's official site. AnswerThis AI is a research tool purpose-built for academic work. It supports tasks like finding academic papers, generating literature reviews and systematic reviews, performing data analysis, identifying research gaps, and more. Today, we're focusing on one feature: finding research gaps in literature using 3 different methods. And here comes the first method. The first approach uses the Research Gaps tab, visible on the left side of your screen. This mode works at a broad topic level. It's your entry point when you don't have a paper yet and are simply scoping out where your research might fit. Once you open it, you'll see some sample questions provided, but let's use our own. I'm interested in identifying gaps in literature related to assessment techniques in science education at the elementary level. At this point, you can choose your sources: academic papers, a web search, papers from your own library, or you can upload papers directly. You can also apply additional filters to narrow things down. Once your preferences are set, hit Enter, and within seconds, the tool generates a comprehensive set of research gaps around your topic. On the left, you'll see the full list of identified gaps. On the right, you'll see the academic studies used to generate each one. The first gap focuses on teacher assessment literacy and professional development needs, supported by multiple academic studies. The gap itself is framed as a question: how can professional development programs be designed to build teachers' competence in informal formative assessment practices within the elementary science classroom? The second gap addresses the inconsistency between traditional and alternative assessment approaches, again backed by relevant studies. In total, the tool generated 10 distinct research gaps, the final one centering on assessment equity and bias. Beyond just listing gaps, the tool also provides a synthesis and suggested research directions, concrete recommendations for how each gap could be addressed. Once you've selected a gap that fits your interest, you can copy it directly and use it elsewhere on the same platform to generate a literature review, a systematic review, or run further data analysis. For the second method, look to the right side of the screen where all your academic papers are listed. You can select one paper, select all of them to chat across your library, or upload a new PDF. In this example, let's upload a paper on assistive technology in special education. Once uploaded, the full paper appears on the right side of the screen, scrollable for review. Now you can type a research question related to the paper, in this case, asking AnswerThis AI to identify research gaps within it. The tool analyzes the uploaded paper and returns a clear list of gaps, starting with limited empirical evidence on long-term outcomes, followed by insufficient research on implementation barriers, and more. Within seconds, it compiles these into a summary table showing each gap area, its current status, and what's needed to address it. That's method 2. Finding gaps directly from a specific academic paper. Method 3. Gaps while writing. The third method works while you're actively writing. Suppose you have a literature review draft on methodological standardization challenges in microbiome research. Open it using the AI editor or start a new document. Once it loads, you can select any paragraph or block of text and ask the tool to find gaps specific to that section. For example, select a passage discussing your conclusions and future directions, then prompt AnswerThis AI to identify gaps within it. The tool analyzes the selected text and returns targeted suggestions for closing the gaps, right there in your draft. This method is ideal for refining a manuscript as you write, surfacing gaps section by section rather than across an entire topic. AnswerThis AI offers 3 distinct ways to find research gaps: at the topic level, from a specific paper, or directly within your own writing. Try it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next video.